They were silly, stupid boys who thought it would be fun to drop stones down his funnel. Some of the stones hit Henry's boiler and spoiled his paint. One hit the fireman on the head as he was shoveling coal. And others broke the carriage windows. "Call the police," they shouted angrily. "No," said the driver. "Leave it to Henry and me. We'll teach those lads a lesson." "Well then," said the driver, "Henry is going to sneeze at them." The driver laughed. Henry draws air in through his fire and pops it out with smoke and steam. When he pops hard, the air blows ashes from his fire into his smoke box, and these ashes sometimes prevent him popping properly. When your nose is blocked, you sometimes sneeze. If Henry's smoke box is blocked, I can make air and steam blow the ashes through his funnel. We will do it at the bridge and startle those boys.